It's always good to warm up your body. So if you're feeling a bit stiff as you're about to start these lessons, walk around the room, shake out your arms, your legs, do some stretches, put your hands on your hips and take yourself in a big round circle. Push your weight through your hips side to side. Take your foot back and give a bit of a stretch through your hip flexors. And take your leg back. And taking the other leg back. Just feel free to stretch as much as you need to. If you've been quite sedentary all day sitting down in a chair, the best thing is just to move through your body and stretch it right out. You'll know how much you feel that you want to warm up, but as we go through all the basic moves, use those as well to help with your warm up. So taking your feet as far apart as your hips, keeping your knees quite soft and tucking under. Remember, we're going to work through our transverse abdominis and pull it in, lifting up through the chest. We're going to start with the first move, which is the basic hip bump.